Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the DualShock 4 controller in white for PlayStation 4.
I always want to make sure I get the best quality product for my money. And this controller for sure meets that. The feel of the controller in my hands is very comfortable, very easy to hold, and the buttons and sticks sensitivity are perfect for any type of gaming. The controller has lasted me a long time. Even after using it for so many years, it is still working great. The buttons and the sticks feel great, and I don't feel any delays when I'm gaming. It has an auxiliary port so I can connect my headphones, and I like that even if the battery of my controller is running low, I can charge it with a USB cable while I'm still playing, so the fun never stops. So in my opinion, this controller is definitely worth the money because it's durable, reliable, and very easy and comfortable to game with.
And that is my point of view.